Hi guys, I'll be on Mill Grove next week, so I thought I'd record something for the presentation because something is better than nothing, and because I love science engineering. So I'll be doing the science of geothermal energy, how it works, and why it should be applied to Kogoville. So geothermal energy is 24/7, 365 days a year. There are no greenhouse gas emissions, and the water is simply used to transport heat or energy. And once water is evaporated, it can be condensed and then reused. The actual definition for geothermal energy is, I'm going to say it right now. Geothermal energy is the heat from the earth. It's clean and sustainable. The sources of geothermal energy range from shallow ground to hot water and hot rock found a few miles beneath the Earth's surface, and down even deeper to the extremely high temperatures of molten rock called magma. So for geothermal energy, temperature makes a huge difference. High temperatures lead to more energy being transferred to the water. This therefore means that there will be more steam to push the turbines that produce electricity. Therefore, if we can go deeper into the Earth's crust, we should, as it will help us in the long run, as more temperature equals more energy. So here's my first diagram I'm going to explain. So in this diagram, you can see how water is injected into hot rocks, then retrieved. This hot water then evaporates into steam, and this steam creates high pressures which spin the turbine. So it's kind of similar to a fossil fuel, like a power plant using fossil fuels, except um, instead of burning fossil fuels to heat the water, the heat from the magma is used. So it's far more renewable. So Iceland currently creates the most geothermal energy in the world. This is due to the magma being closer to the surface. Iceland sits on the boundary of the North American and Eurasian plates, and this causes magma to seep through the gaps between the two plates. So in this diagram, you can see that a large proportion of Iceland is near these plate boundaries. Since it is easier to access the heat produced by magma in Iceland, geothermal energy is one of the cleanest ways to produce electricity. However, this method is also applicable to Kogoville. The fact that the fact is that geothermal energy power plants are not cheap, but the thing that it has over all of its competitors is reliability. It isn't affected by the clouds or the wind. Geothermal energy is a reliable and constant energy source that is renewable. So in this case, digging deeper won't reveal gold, but something better, more energy. Geothermal energy has no waste products like nuclear energy or any adverse effects on the environment. With your backing, Cogoville will thrive with geothermal energy, and geothermal energy won't let you down. Thanks guys.